In this video, I'll show you how to book for someone else on Expedia 2025 Flights and Hotels Guide. First, click the link in the description to visit the official website. Once the page opens, you'll see the home page. It should look similar to what you see here. When booking for someone else, you simply enter the traveler's full legal name, date of birth, and their contact information in the appropriate traveler fields, even if you are paying with your own account and credit card. For a hotel stay, during checkout, put the guest's name under Guest Details and ensure you supply a valid payment method, yours or theirs, and the email for confirmation. Always double-check that the traveler's information exactly matches their passport or ID to avoid check-in issues, and keep a copy of the itinerary or booking receipt for them. If you like, I can also outline typical risks and best practices when booking for someone else, e.g., payment method, ID mismatches, changes, cancellations. So don't wait, click the link in the description, grab your discount code, and start saving today. If you found this guide helpful, click the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and exclusive deals.